Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can view the TikTok videos without logging into a TikTok account. So you want to watch TikTok videos but you don't want to create an account, or you don't want to log into your account and you want to find a way how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to watch a TikTok video or view TikTok videos without an account. So to do that, follow the simple steps I do. It's a very simple process. You'll have no problem doing it. The first thing you want to do is open your phone settings. Once you open your phone settings, you'll need to go into the application settings, which will be labeled as apps and notifications, or application settings according to the device that you're using. So open that settings. Once you open that settings, what you want to do is locate the TikTok application settings. Once you locate the TikTok application settings, open the settings. Now from here, what you want to do is go into storage and cache. Once you go into storage and cache, what you want to do is clear the storage. Once you clear all the data from your TikTok application, what you want to do is go back and open the TikTok application. Once you open the TikTok application, you land on the initial page of the TikTok application. Here you can select all the interest, or what you can do is just simply skip. Once you do that, swipe up. Now here you can see I am not logged into any account, but I can watch all the TikTok videos I want to. I'll show you. See, I am not logged into any account. This is how you can watch the TikTok videos or view the TikTok videos without an account. So that was the simple steps in order to watch or view the TikTok videos without an account on your TikTok application. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.